Decimal to octal conversion. How a decimal is converted to octal number we will see now. So decimal numbers are represented from 0 to 9, that is from total 10 values we will be representing a decimal number, and octal number is represented in between 0 to 7, that is base is 8. Decimal number is converted to octal by dividing it with 8. Let us take an example. 98. How it is converted to octal means the octal number base is 8. So divide this 98 with 8, base of octal number. So 12s are 96. 8 12s are, remainder is 2. So divide until where it is stops, that means further it can't be divided with 8. So first obtained remainder is LSB, the last obtained value is MSB. So even if you divide also, zeros are and 1 is the remainder. So take down from MSB to LSB. So this is the octal equivalent of a decimal number 98. If you want to verify, you can check whether it is correct or not, correct octal conversion or not, by taking the powers of 8 from LSB to MSB. Powers increases from right to left and multiply with the corresponding values. So I am doing it. It is correct. In this way, a decimal number is converted to octal by dividing this decimal with 8. So this is the conversion of a decimal to octal. Similarly, now we will see how an octal is converted to decimal. So octal numbers are from 0 to 7. So that is octal is represented in between 0 to 7, that is total 8 values an octal number is represented. So let us take an example. 143. How it is converted to decimal? So for that we need to take the powers of 8 from LSB to MSB. So the rightmost is LSB and the leftmost number is MSB. So the powers of 8 increases from LSB to MSB. The total number of digits in octal is n is equals to 3. So the power of 8 increases from 0 to n minus 1 and multiply the powers of 8 with the corresponding digits of the octal number. So I am doing it. Powers increased from 0 to 2 and multiplying with the corresponding octal numbers. So adding upon all those, you will get the decimal equivalent. So that is 99. So 99 is the decimal equivalent for this 143 octal number. So this is how an octal is converted to decimal by taking the powers of 8 from LSB to MSB. Hope you understood.